Hey guys, I am Anna. Welcome back to Splengo Fashion, your go-to destination to explore the latest trends, style inspiration, and exclusive insights into the world of fashion. Today, we're diving into a trend that's as bold as it is surprising, embracing high fashion looks in the sweltering summer heat. Kim Kardashian, the queen of pushing fashion boundaries, standing confidently against the blistering heat. She's just posted a series of photos on Instagram, and they're causing quite a stir. In the photos, Kim is draped in an all-black ensemble that's as bold as it is unexpected. She's wearing a full-length fur coat, yes. You read that right. A sleek black bra, a fitted black skirt, and towering black leather stiletto boots. You'd think she's promoting her Skims line, but no, this time it's Gucci in the spotlight. Kim's daring outfit isn't just about braving the heat. It's part of a larger trend sweeping through Hollywood, the exposed bra look. This trend has celebrities flaunting their bras in ways we haven't seen before, making them the centerpiece of their outfits. Maika Monroe. She recently turned heads with a leather bra and skirt combo from Daisy Edgar-Jones. While on tour for her film Maxine, she wowed fans with a white lace bra paired with high-waisted trousers from Saab. Kelly Rowland. Back in April, she stunned in a metallic sculptural bra, wide-legged trousers, a blazer, and a leather jacket from Giuseppe Di Morabito. Fashion is all about self-expression and pushing boundaries. Kim Kardashian and other celebrities are proving that with the right attitude, you can turn heads no matter the temperature. So, if you're feeling adventurous, why not take a leaf out of their style book and embrace the heatwave fashion with your own unique twist? Thanks for joining me on this fashionable journey. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you next time on Splengo Fashion for more trendy tips and style inspiration.